look at her. How sassy is she? Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are well and safe. Today I'm going to be playing with this wonderful selection of tags designed by the lovely Krista. Krista is one of an amazing followers. She also joined my Facebook group, so she sent me an email, said that she designed some lovely tags. She asked me if I would like to share it with the group as part of the freebies, and I was like, yeah, of course. So thank you so much, Krista, for thinking about us. Love what you created, and I'm sure everyone will enjoy these tags. So they will be shared this Friday as part of my Friday freebie. So again, guys, I'll not keep going on and on about it. If you're new to my channel, I've got a Facebook group that every Friday, myself or all of you guys sharing a freebie. So a selection of tags, background, Michelle Flynn design lovely numbers and sentiments, all sorts. And also this will be sent out to the newsletter, so you guys get this straight to your email every Friday afternoon, evening / Saturday morning, if there are some problems with the computers that sometimes happen. So today we're gonna be playing with these, but I love them. They're very sweet, very romantic. There's a lot of lace, a lot of flowers, butterflies. But I thought we could make them a bit more grungy. I'm going to use some of the Tim Holtz paper dolls because they need to be used. And I thought I watch a lot of tutorial or videos, how do you want to call them, and a lot of projects on Instagram when a lot of people using the Tim Holtz dolls with like tone on tone, so like black background or more like vintagey brownish background. I personally like to use these dolls with pop or colors. This is my personal preference. This is how I like, because being black with something that is extremely colorful make them stand up even more. So for instance, I've got here part of my tissue, the napkins that I used in the beginning of the week. So if you think something that's black and white with something that is a pop or color, I absolutely love how this combination looks. Most of you might not like it. You might prefer something tone on tone, but I do like black and white with pop of colors. So that's what I'm going to make in today. And I'm going to be playing with this set here. This is a stamp set I believe is from the Indigo Blue magazine. I might be wrong, but I recognize her. I used it before. So it's a beautiful selection of stamps, very steampunk but vintage. We got postage, so I'm going to use that. I'm definitely going to use her, the flowers, her. Not sure if I use the train or the train ticket, but we'll have a look. And I thought, because I printed them on a copy paper, I've got here some of my scraps of paper that I have used in previous projects. So I'm going to, and I'm hoping they are I think they're just, oh, perfect. So what am I going to do, guys? I'm going to cut them so the back of these little clusters will have the floral background, okay, because I don't want to be white, and also I want it to be quite substantial because this is a proper cardstock. Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to fussy cut it, glue them on these papers, and then we're going to stamp them using some of these, and let's see what we're gonna do. Okay, apologies about the glare, but there's nothing I can do about it because I've got the lights literally shining on that. So let's play with these lovely stamps and use them because that's the whole point. We can't be hoarders. Everything that we buy, because they are brand new, it takes forever. So what I do with brand new stamps, especially when they're quite flimsy, relax on the table until they get back to the natural shape, and then I put the block on top. Now Jamie asked sort of what I wanted for my birthday, and I always wanted it stamping up the blocking set with the actual case to put it all together. So Jamie kindly bought it, or bought them to be precise, So they're actually coming today, I think, because from the 1st of March, I think Stampin' Up is increasing the shipping cost. So I thought I might as well buy them now. At least, we know that comes from a birthday, because he's like a big baby. He wanted me to be able to open the present on time. So he wraps them up, and he's a sweetheart, bless him. And it's the same with Christmas present. Everything that I buy him, it's got to be wrapped, and you know, he's like a big baby, but he's cute. Our little Jamie. Right, so not so little actually, but yeah. So I'm going to, what's this, ink the map. So I think we're just gonna go there. I got a funny feeling that he's upside down. Now the problem that we got, guys, told you several times, because my camera extension things, yeah, it's upside down, but it doesn't matter, is attached to the desk. So if I do any movements, any random movements on my desk, the camera shakes. So I do apologize, but at the moment I don't really want to drill in the wall. We're trying to make any sort of like minimal changes to the house, because you know, when it comes to sell it, it's less things for us to do. So, and as I use the stamps, I clean them, so it's a less time consuming. So I'm gonna do a few with you, because you don't want to see me stamp them all, and then I'll do a few off camera. So this got to be flat. My opinion, Memento is the best black ink. So this is the second pad I've got. I used the one from the what you call it, the Hobby and Craft, but I think they're on brand, but I think these are the best. So I'm just gonna go with the flow like that, not even thinking too much. Yeah, I've not done a really good, oh no, actually it's meant to be like that, so no, I've done a good job. Right, so gonna stamp them all, and then I'll be right back to you. Okay, so we got this one. I used that twice, the little one with the car. I used this twice as well. Look at that, cute. This one, this one, this one with the car again. Love the floral one, and her again. So what I thought we could do, I picked 8 Tim Holtz paper dolls. I mean, I want to show you her. Look at her. How sassy is she? I mean, is anybody can be any more sassier than her? Look, super sassy. We need to call her, I think we're going to call her a sassy name. What could be a sassy name? Sissy, like a princess. Sissy, yeah, her name is Sissy. And then we got last one there. Now I'm conscious that you probably see them with a bit of glare, but simply what we're going to do is glue them up. And I've been a very good boy on this tutorial. I'm not using tutorial project. I'm not using any gold wax, because I want a lot of black in this project. Now there are a couple of sitting down people. So yeah, so there's 3, 4. She sat down? No. So I've got those 3, and I picked them on purpose because they sat into something. So I thought, see if we can get maybe he sat on the rose, but I don't know if it's gonna be, yeah, no, I think it's fine. So it's gonna go like that. In fact, let's do it now so we don't forget. So I'm just gonna put the glue on his body there. Okay, so I'm just using baby wipe. So he's sat there. So that's one. Then we've got two more other sitting people. So let's have a look where they can sit. She looks like she's on that. She's probably too big. Oh yeah, that's fine. There. So their arms sit on that. Yeah, let's do that. So just gonna put some glue on the back. Try not to make a mess. So that's that. I mean, you could draw the lace. There she looks like she's hanging. So that's two. And then that's the third. So he's going to be sat either on the cage or there. I think that's pretty. So he's sat in the, oh sorry, not even on flash. So we're going to put a bit of glue in there. Please, yeah, decaf. Oh, it's always so shy. Jamie's asking if I want a coffee, and I was like, yes, please. So then we got him that is kind of like leaning somewhere. So he's probably going to lean into the rose, but then I'm going to cover that. So maybe not. Oh, look, let's do. So he's looks like he's leaning on the tag itself. So I'm just going to put a tiny bit of glue on him there. Sorry guys if I'm not on camera, but I'm trying to see what I'm doing. Put glue everywhere. Okay. And sorry if and when the camera shakes. Okay. That's that. They're very, very simple, guys. This is not rock science, but I thought they'd be really pretty. I mean, I love her. Absolutely love her. So she needs to be there, yeah, with a bit of pink background. And this is what I was telling you earlier about. See how that pop of green, pop of pink stand up, like proper pop of colour. So we're just gonna put a bit of glue on the skirt. Oh, Sissy, you are amazing. We love you. There. And then we have this little super cute girl. Am I gonna off center there? So just gonna put a bit of glue on just this side. Wondering what's for tea tonight. We're not decided. Normally when we both off on the same day, which doesn't happen very often, the night before say, oh, what should we have for tea tonight? And then we just get either something out of the freezer or go and get something. Jamie's going to do our food shop in a minute. He loves doing it, so yeah, off you go. Just pay and then yeah, goodbye. I'm not a big fan of food shopping, so he's happily do so. He's going to have a coffee with his mum and then he's going to come back home, and then we're going to have a lesson because Jamie is studying. He needs to get a B2 in language qualification in Italian because Jamie is just like me. Thank you very much. Oh, milk. Okay, that's fine, thank you. So when Jamie makes coffee, it looks like there is a shortage of water in this house. So can you see? So that's the mug. So there is like an inch missing. But never mind, I can't moan. But don't say anything, because he will be like, hey, next time you do on your own. But yeah, I mean, and I prefer black coffee. And he knows that, so he put this random milk. But never mind, never mind. Right, I think we're done, guys. We got them all. So let me show you one by one. I think I need to zoom out. Oh, no, I can stay there. So, got one. Zoom in. Love it. They're very simple, guys. I'm not, it's nothing, it's not rock science. We got Sissy. Then we've got him and him. Then we've got her, Mr. Jones. Don't know why I said that, but he looks like a Mr. Jones. And little boy. Okay, right, guys, I hope you like this little project. I mean, you can make any sort of tags using anything that you have, but if you wish to get these wonderful tags made by the lovely Krista, you can join the group, my Facebook group, and all the links are down below. Or if you want to sign up to my newsletter, it gets sent out every Friday evening, and you get it straight into your email box, so it's there, saved on your computer. Right, guys, thank you so much. Me and Sissy are wishing you a very good day, and I will see you very soon. Bye.